Hey everyone! Hope you're having an amazing day! In this video, we're going to show you how to generate subtitles for your videos in any language you want using AI. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us create more awesome content for you. First, open your browser and go to Getsubli.com. At the top of the website, click on Start Free Trial. Create an account using your Google account or email, then log in. Open the personal folder and click on Upload. Select your video file and click Open. Choose the language of your video. For example, my video is in English, US. Click on Upload to start the process. Once your upload is complete, you'll see your video being transcribed. Wait a moment and refresh the page. Click on your video. On the new page, you can make any changes you want, including translation, style, timing, and more. After making your desired changes, click on Download at the top of the page. Open the Subtitles menu and choose your preferred subtitle format. For example, I'll select SRT, which is a common subtitle format. Finally, click Download. And that's it! You've successfully generated subtitles for your video using AI.